What's up, guys? Mike Garrick back with more high performance nutrition. Now, I've got a treat for you guys. I know you guys like that. You know those nights when you are really kind of craving something sweet, but you don't want to cheat? Well, I got just the treat for you. It's called protein pudding. Now, that sounds kind of gross, but it's actually really, really good, and I'm going to show you how to make it. All right, this is super easy to make. All you do is you take 2 scoops of the best tasting whey protein that you can find. I use MRM. It's awesome because it's pretty dang clean and it tastes really, really good with super, super low additives. There's not a lot of fat and there's not a lot of carbs in there. So per scoop, there's 18 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of fat. So it's really clean. So I take 2 scoops of that. Then I just take regular cocoa powder, you know, like the non-sweetened cooking stuff. Throw that in there. That's about 1 tablespoon. And that's it for the dry ingredients. And you mix that up. Now you can add more cocoa powder in there if you like it more cocoa-y, but it does have a little bit of a bitter taste to it. So the more cocoa-y you make it, the more it's going to taste like dark chocolate. The less you put in there, the more it's going to taste like milk chocolate. Or you can even do it just straight up vanilla or any other flavor you like. So once that's mixed up, okay, now here's where the practice comes in. You want to add just enough water that you're going to make it that pudding consistency. Not enough, it's going to be more like cookie dough, taffy type consistency, and too much, it's going to be kind of sloppy. So you've got to split these two in half. So I put in a little bit of water, and then I put in 1 tablespoon of this Almond Joy creamer, which is my favorite White Death here. I still use this in my coffee, so it's kind of like a multi-use. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. So it's not that much. The protein really absorbs that quite fast, and it comes up on you real fast. You got to be careful. So just a little bit at a time. Doesn't take much time here. Now you can do this with just 1 scoop if you want to, but then your macros ain't quite as good. And I'm going to go over the macros here towards the end. Let's see, make sure that I don't get it too thick, and you got to do it all at once. You can't be messing around. So it's almost there, and then all I'm going to do now that it's about there, in fact that would be actually pretty good, but I'm just going to add in the 1 tablespoon of the coconut creamer that I love. Now you can just eat it just plain like this, and it actually tastes pretty dang good, but it's not amazing. Now if you do this, it doesn't add a lot of carbohydrates and fat, but it does make it absolutely delicious. So if you like pudding, this is phenomenal for at night, right before bed or after a workout. But check that out. Total pudding consistency and absolutely delicious. Guys, super, super easy. Check out these macros. 36 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and only 2.5 grams of fat. Pretty freaking amazing. Try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm Mike Garrick. Help you think, eat, and move with a purpose.
Welcome to the future.